Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to do a short unboxing of a small tripod and handle from Telesin for the action cameras. Although if you have an adapter, you can also use this one for cell phones. I guess for smartphones. I'm not sure how many of you have seen this product or know about it, but it's supposed to be quite similar to the GoPro Shorty, the official one, which, as you can see, is still an extendable mini selfie stick with a tripod integrated in it. Okay. Okay, so let's begin with the unboxing. The box is quite small, as you can see. Inside you get the thumb screw, and from what I can see, yeah, just the tripod inside the box. Alright, now as you can see, a few differences from the GoPro one. This one does have some rubberized texture on the handle, which it makes it a bit comfortable to hold it. It makes it not very slippery, as opposed to the GoPro, which is quite plastic, and yeah, with sweaty hands or in cold days when you're wearing gloves, it might slip out of your hand. So this one is a bit nice. Okay. Also on the bottom there are a few rubber stoppers, that can also be used when extending this one and extending the tripod to have a firm place on the surface that you're putting it on. You can also close it and I'm guessing lock it and extend it. Now, besides these differences when extended and when closed, this one is slightly taller than the GoPro one. As you can see, we have them side by side here. Not sure if it is visible, but it is slightly taller than the GoPro one. Okay, now let's try and mount a GoPro on it. Okay, you just open up the GoPro feet. It can be quite tricky at the beginning to install a GoPro. Also, if you have the Shorty, you can use the short screw from the GoPro Shorty onto this one. You don't have to use this big thumb screw if you don't like it. It does stick a bit out past the camera. I'm not sure how many will enjoy it. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, let's open it up. You can also use this as a mini selfie stick if you want. You can just extend this one and then angle the camera towards you just the way you want it. And you can use this as a selfie stick. It does provide a adequate length to be used in this way. Alright, and just for demonstration purposes, let me just show you how it looks with the screw from the GoPro Shorty. Alright, I must say it would have been nice for Telesin to include something like this, or perhaps a smaller thumb screw. Alright, it's now, as you can see, it looks, I don't know, in my opinion it looks a lot better. Even extended, even as a selfie stick or as a tripod, does look a little bit better. It's, yeah. So nothing much, just an alternative which is a bit cheaper than this one, than the GoPro. Sorry, the Telesin Mini Tripod is a bit cheaper than the GoPro one, the official one. Also, it's when you're holding it in hands, it does not have the usual plastic creaking that you tend to see in the GoPro official one. Which can be quite distracting when you're filming videos, to hear that creaking sound all the time as you move the camera around, or you're just walking along. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Just a short unboxing of the Telesin Mini Tripod Handle, or selfie stick, whatever you want to call it. Alright, you can find this one online on the official Telesin website. I'm not sure how many of these are going to be in stock, because I'm not sure how many of those, I'm not sure if Telesin is still making these, or if they just have the inventory, and when it runs out, that's it. But yeah, okay. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye.